In today's guide, I'll show you how to connect and set up your Xbox Series X to your Hisense Android TV via HDMI and how to enable game mode for optimal performance. We will start by grabbing the HDMI cable that's included with our Series X and then plugging one end of the cable into our Xbox console's HDMI port properly. Then we will take the other end and plug it into any of the HDMI ports at the back of our Hisense Android TV. Now we can plug in the power cord and turn on our Xbox console. In case this is your first time setting up your Xbox Series X, then you can watch our quick guide on how to set up your Xbox Series X for the first time by clicking on the link on the description. Now what we'll do is grab our Hisense Android TV remote and open the input list. You can either go to the input option from the home screen by going up, then right to input. Press OK, and this will open the input list. Or you can also press the input button on your TV remote. Then we will find the HDMI input that's not grayed out, select it, and this should be our Xbox console. Now that you're inside your Xbox, we'll need to make sure that some settings are set correctly. So let's go to the Xbox settings from the home screen, then go to TV and display options, click on resolution and make sure you have set the highest one that's compatible. Also go to device control and make sure you have checked HDMI CEC along with all these features that you see on the right. This will allow you to turn off your TV or turn it on using your Xbox controller alongside your Xbox console. Also, you'll be able to control your TV's volume right from your Xbox controller. And finally, we'll need to adjust our TV settings. So press the settings button on your TV remote, then go to picture mode and enable game. Now it will give you the lowest latency. Then you'll need to go to display mode and try out the full and unscaled options to see which one gives you the highest screen area. And that's about it. Now you're ready to jump right into gaming and enjoy your Xbox Series X.